friends, I am Kushal Khurana and I am here to make you understand the concepts of trigonometry's first chapter, which is trigonometric ratios. Many of you must have heard about this topic before. Everybody thinks that trigonometry is very tough. It is very difficult to score marks in this subject. It is not like that. These all are misconceptions. Once you learn the formulas and understand the simple concept, trigonometry becomes very simple like बच्चों का खेल. So now let me tell you what is trigonometry. Actually, it is the branch of mathematics which deals with the measurement of angles and the problem allied with angles. Trigonometry deals only with right angle triangle in which you have to find the angle theta. Now you would ask, what is theta? Theta is the angle opposite to the perpendicular side in a right angle triangle. Now let's go through the formula used in the first chapter of trigonometry. The formula which I am going to tell you are based upon the names of the angles like sin theta, cos theta, etc. Have a look on the board. They are written on the board. First, sin theta perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cos theta equal to base upon hypotenuse, and tan theta equal to perpendicular upon base. And you have to learn only these three formulas, and the other three formulas are just opposite of these formulas. Like cosec theta equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular, which is opposite of sin theta. Sec theta equal to hypotenuse upon base, which is opposite of cos theta. And cot theta base upon perpendicular, which is opposite of tan theta. Now there is a trick, or you can say a shortcut method to learn these formulas. We are right on the board. Pandit, Madri, Prashant, Har, Holding. In P by H, which is the formula of sin theta, V by H, which is the formula of cos theta, and P by V, which is the formula of tan theta. In the first chapter of trigonometry, there are some reciprocal relations. Everybody knows about what is reciprocal. It is the form of fraction of a number. The formula of reciprocal relation are written here. Cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta, sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta, and cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. They will be used in the exercises in RSLY. Let's take an example to understand this chapter more properly. If sin A equal to 8 by 70, find other trigonometric ratios of angle A. Let me tell you that in this question, angle A means theta, which is an angle opposite to the perpendicular side. Now, I think you remember the formula of sin A, which is sin A equal to P by H equal to 8 by 70. Now we have to find the base by hypotenuse method to find the other angles. By hypotenuse, B square equal to X square minus P square equal to 17 square minus 8 square, B square equal to 225, B equal to 15. We got the value of base. Now we can easily find the other angles. Like sin A equal to P by H equal to 8 by 17. Cos A equal to P by H equal to 15 by 17. And tan A equal to P by B equal to 8 by 15. All the questions in this chapter are like this, in which one angle is given and you have to find the other angle. Now you can see that the first chapter of trigonometry has become very easy, as I said before in the starting of the video. So I would like to end my video on this note. Thank you for watching my video. Stay at home, stay safe.